Learn how to check if an object or array is completely frozen. We're going to look at an example that tells us if an object is fully locked and does not allow any changes. So let's get started. So I have some steps here that are added as comments inside the script section. So the first one says create person object. So I'll go ahead and make a person object. Person object. Now, inside this person object that I have now, I can add first name, last name, this. So once I have this, then I can go to step 2, freeze it using object.freeze. So I'll just call the method to freeze it. Object.freeze. Then you pass in your object. That's all you need to do. So the object is frozen that way. Now check with object is frozen. Let's now check this object dot is frozen. We want to check it. Press send. And let's assign this to its variable. So now that we've done this, then we can go ahead to output it. Now we seen true because the object is truly frozen. But if it is not, if I remove this, we should see false. You can see. So now key things to note about here. Number one is that the is frozen method returns Boolean values, either true or false. Because this example checks whether a frozen object and a frozen array are actually frozen. Well, this only check if this object is actually frozen, as you can see it, and it returns a Boolean response. And what is a Boolean response? A Boolean response is just a response that has two values, either true or false, as you can see. So with this now, we're able to see that this exactly, this object as it is frozen in itself. So the object, sorry, the method rather, the method prevents the object to be tampered with because we have frozen it with another method that you can see earlier underneath. Now, object frozen is not limited only to objects. You can as well use it on an array. So let me make another example under this. So let's say I have an array of maybe let's use fruits. And here we have different arrays like orange, banana, mango, apples. Now, with what I have now, I can use the method on it as well and do objects.freeze and then pass in my array fruits. Now that I've frozen that array, then I can check object.is frozen. Then check my fruit array. If it is, we'll find out. Now let's assign it to a variable and call it a result equals to this. And now let's check if it is actually frozen. Document.getElement by writing demo.inner HTML equals to results. And now I want to use another space for it. So let me just copy this and paste it. And let me call it demo one. So you can see this also is returning true. That is because uh, it works for both objects and array. So this is the object part and this is the array part, as you can see in this example. So we created an object, we frozen it, and we now check the status and output the um, result. So this helps verify the highest level of object protection because object dot is frozen method confirms that an object or array is fully immutable and cannot be changed in any way.